Alfa Romeo will build us a new sports car, but only if we buy all of their SUVs first. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where, although CEO Santo Felici has made it clear that Alfa Romeo will focus on SUVs and crossovers to boost sales in the coming years, it seems that Alfa Romeo has not completely forgotten about sports cars. Now, in an interview with Car Magazine, the company's marketing manager said that, in quotations, anyone who works at our car maker will tell you that we would like to have another high-performance car in our range, but with an affordable price. However, he also said that the company needs to increase sales before focusing on dreams. Now, he also explained that the Michiona currently has to think about making ends meet, not being a solid company like Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. He said in quotations, "We have to produce one model a year, demonstrating that we are able to produce it, make it profitable, and reach acceptable numbers for the investments made. Once we have achieved concrete results, we will be able to dream." Now, in essence, the company must focus on the top models like the new Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio before launching into adventures, but also think about the Tonale and also the Junior, all SUVs in the range that would make Alfa Romeo the most money moving forward to, well, possibly get us that sports car. Only then it will be possible to think about some other models suitable for the dreams of the numerous Alfa Romeo fans. Furthermore, he also hinted that when a new sports car finally arrives, it might not be a two-seater, because according to some rumors, the model could be based on the Stella Large or STLA Large platform, the same as the Dodge Charger, suggesting that it may be a coupe ready to compete with the BMW M4 and the Mercedes-AMG CLE 53. For the time being, Alfa Romeo is focusing on launching more profitable models, such as the new Stelvio we will see hopefully by the middle of next year. Now, of course, you're wondering, well, what about the 33 Stradale? Why was that materialized when Alfa Romeo needs to be more profitable? Well, he also explained that the stunning coupe with butterfly doors was developed after hours by a crazy bunch of people to avoid disrupting daily operations. So it sounds like these were passion projects when it came to the 33 Stradale. Of course, it helps that the 33 Stradale shares a strong relationship with the Maserati MC20, where it partially borrows the carbon fiber tub and aluminum subframes at both ends. The twin-turbo 3-liter V6 also is closely related, so Alfa didn't exactly need to do much from scratch. They had a base to build on, and a lot of effort went into the flagship feel to make it unique and bespoke with the exterior and interior designs with a multi-link suspension featuring adaptive dampers derived from the Giulia GT-AM. Now, when the time eventually comes for a new performance model, it will be more reachable than the 33 Stradale, and it definitely won't carry a 7-figure price tag such as that car. But when you develop a new car from scratch, it's very costly, especially when it's aimed at a niche audience. So Alfa Romeo is definitely retiring the multi-billion euro Giorgio platform after the current Stelvio and Giulia are phased out. So the future sports car will most likely be on Stellantis bones, which is that STLA platform. Realistically, the car is probably going to come out closer to the end of the decade, probably around the 2030s. But with that said, what do you guys think about a new sports car from Alfa Romeo? Are we talking about something along the lines of a modern day 8C or GTV? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links in the description. If you guys want to help further support the channel, I appreciate the love. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.